Hi, I'm Sandi Genovese and welcome to this episode of the Ellison Education video series. You know, framing your students is easy when you have a really good looking frame, and we have a really good looking frame set on the table. I've used the same scallop frame, but I've embellished it, this first example with stars, and then in the next example with the A+, and in the final example with the heart. And the cool thing is all of those embellishments are on the die along with the scallop frame. So you have lots of options of how you may want to decorate. It's simple to do. I've cut out the frame out of a few different colors, and if I turn this one over, you'll see that I've just taken a pencil and I've added pencil marks just with a ruler to indicate a section that I'm going to cut apart to cut out a mat. Okay, so this gives me a twofer. I can take this. I won't stop to put adhesive on it, but if I put adhesive on this, this is going to sit perfectly inside this to create a mat inside the scallop. Then I can go back, I can add stars in multiples, and then if I take the whole thing, pretend like it's all glued together, you can see how great it's going to go together to create a picture frame. I also have this piece, so I can put adhesive on the back of this, and when I place it over, I end up with what looks like a red mat behind there. And once again, I can go back and I can add whatever embellishment I want. You know, your kids are going to love having their pictures on display in your classroom.